If you're traveling in Japan and want to pick up lots of souvenirs for your family and friends back home, head to Don Quijote. If you haven't heard of Don Quijote, it is the biggest and the most popular discount chain shop in Japan with over 150 branches nationwide and several branches abroad such as Singapore, Hawaii, Thailand, and even the US. Also known as Donki, the shop offers a variety of products such as food and drinks, which probably got the largest section, clothes for men, women, and kids, medicines, skincare and cosmetics, household items, toys, electronic gadgets, travel items, and a lot more. Don Quixote's prices are unbeatable. A matcha Kit Kat is usually almost 300 yen in drugstores and supermarkets. It's just 148 yen in Donki, which is half the price. This caramel snack, which is usually over 100 yen, is just 59 yen here. No wonder the shop is not only visited by tourists but also locals. Go drop by Don Quixote and shop till you drop.